ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ.
First, the top stories. Right to information benefits people in myriad ways, says Speaker Y. Khemchand. "70-year-old rap convict awarded 15 years rigorous imprisonment." Chinese President Xi Jinping arrives at Chennai. And Minister Nemcha Kipgen attends First India International Cooperatives Trade Fair 2019. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Right to Information Week 2019, which began from October 7 last at Lamyanba Sanglen Imphal, wrap up today. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Khemchand, Acting Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Khaidem Mani, State Chief Information Commissioner Oinam Sunil Singh and State Information Commissioner Dr. Soibam Ibocha Singh attended the closing program as main guest. At the function, Speaker Y. Khemchand said, RTI benefits the masses in myriad ways, which also serves as a great tool in fighting corruption.
Corruption se koi like paramata paisa katpagi type da thabak khapadasu paisa katpa oina sum chalalakpa je. This is very unfortunate, and I koi ponna corruption se yana na thingwal taba hoje handala mating amana amagi mating panglaga masi ampan kitang handala ga di thingbu yaroi. Ahanba masi handahanaba puna thabak tawinabada koi right to information RTIC koi department khudimangna maram sana sana pakum bibiraga afaba leba ma oinse harga itinjari.
On the other hand, Khaidem Mani stressed on the government's role in safeguarding the rights of the people. At the same time, he urged the masses to gain more knowledge about RTI, through which any concerned government department violating their fundamental rights can be penalized.
Sarkar na karito gare, adigi MLA local area development fund, ase kayam chumna to gare, kadai da kari sari, sane ga pasalo to kipsi chumra, sari kanda, my government department senadi, machin TV aroi, machin TV ya, matak tawar kan matang utang lebanina. Ado mana to rega transparency ama, adigi manu fauna on ma, ado governance ama. Lehelakanda processing sinungai gadorimna. Mana maduna asik mai information commission role se masi yam chawre.
Session Judge Imphal East Maibam Manoj Kumar today awarded 15 years rigorous imprisonment to a 70-year-old rape convict along with a fine of rupees 10,000 for raping a minor girl on August 22, 2015. Konjengbam Nipamacha of Hainau Khongnembi was convicted by the same court on October 7 last under POCSO. As per reports, the court also directed the concerned authority to provide rupees 5 lakh compensation to the victim under the Manipur Victim Compensation Scheme. Chinese President Xi Jinping landed to a red carpet welcome at the Chennai airport for an unscripted summit with Prime Minister Narendra Modi that has been described by New Delhi as unparalleled according to a media report. President Xi's informal summit with Prime Minister Modi at a seaside resort of Mamallapuram is expected to revel in style strained by Beijing's stance on changes made to the status of Jammu and Kashmir and its support to Pakistan. President Xi was received by Governor Banwarilal Purohit and Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannarselvam. Prime Minister Modi, who had reached Tamil Nadu a few hours earlier, took a chopper to Mamallapuram on the outskirts of Chennai, where he will receive the visiting dignitary later in the evening. From the airport, President Xi dropped down straight to his hotel in Chennai before heading to the coastal town of Mamallapuram, chosen because it showcases India's ancient culture and heritage and links with China's Huzian province. The Chennai summit is the second edition of the informal summit between Prime Minister Modi and President Xi. The first was in the picturesque Chinese lake city of Wuhan in April 2018, months after a 73-day face-off between the armies of the two countries in Doklam Tri-Junction raised fears of a war between the two Asian giants, the report said. Manipur Corporation Minister Nemcha Kipgen today attended the inaugural ceremony of the first ever India International Cooperative Trade Fair IICTF 2019 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar attended the occasion as chief guest. Talking to media on the sidelines of the event, Minister Nemcha Kipgen highlighted on how the cooperative sector in Manipur has significantly revived under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. She also asserted that though Manipur lags behind in cooperative movement, handloom and handicrafts, transport, dairy, agriculture, horticulture and other areas of cooperatives are very developed and state government is currently working on implementing schemes for the masses for their benefits. The function was also attended by Union Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Parshottam Rupala, Minister of Cooperative from all participating states, senior officials of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India and other dignitaries. Convener of Organizing Committee Mera Hokchongba L. Ratan Kumar has appealed to the public to celebrating the upcoming Mera Hokchongba festival together under a single state level platform which will be held at Kangla on 13th of this month. He was speaking during a press meet at Kangla, Imphal ahead of this celebration. Further, Ratan Kumar emphasized on central objectives of the event as conveying the message of love and brotherhood to all the ethnic groups in Manipur. Ratan Kumar also urged all to not organize the event separately.
Marangada akhoi ani thokbi ahum thokbi Manipur da leiba pot se akhoi tawhanjaning de aduna yaragadi leibak miyamna nungsibidana Mera Hokchongba haiba pot se state ki government su paikhat piraktana dagi sana konung amadi mari leina walup khuding mangna paikhalaktana punna pangthok minari base masida khuding mak lakpire hairaga saruk yaminasi punna pangthok minasi handakin handak oigrabasu tungda lakada sahi singdadi akhoi Mera Hokchongba gi thoram sidi Manipur yoina amata pangthok minasi.
On the other hand, Joint Director of Arts and Culture L. Kesorjit stressed on Mera Hokchongba, which strengthens cordial relations between the hills and valley. He said that this will be the third time the state government is organizing Mera Hokchongba as a state-level festival at Kangla.
Mera Hokchongba se ekhoigi state ki oina maru oina culture department gi de ekhoigi di khwaidagi chawba adugumaba ekhoigi Manipur ki leijariba chingi tamgi ichininau furukki mayam punamak ase ekhoi amato oina amuktang unabai gi khudong chaba do masigi festival asina pibanina ekhoi gi main objective asi masiyam yari ngokai mai pauna culture gi leiriba valley da leiriba culture gi activists sing adagi di ching da leiriba ichininau punamak ase ekhoi amuktang punanaba gi ekhoi adugumlaba khudong chaba do ekhoi Mera Hokchongba sida phangmanina masiyam mai pakna hona base ekhoi gi achoba thaudang.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next we have this 6th state-level aquarium exhibition cum flower show kickstarts in Imphal.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimata aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu masidi akhoi chingnaningai oidri. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na setpayaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirang Khom Sawgaizam Lerak Machin, Natraga, Ekoigi phone number 6909126615, Natraga 700580023 da call to birau. Prabhavati Handloom.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangay Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangay Pro.
Welcome back after the break. The 6th state-level aquarium exhibition cum flower show has kick-started today at the Manipur Science Aquarium, DM College, Imphal. The event is organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council, Imphal, in association with local aquarium and floriculture entrepreneurs under the sponsorship of Department of Science and Technology, DST, Government of Manipur. Among others, Principal of DM College of Commerce, Dr. A. Navachandra Singh, and Director of DST, E. Ibocha Singh, were present at the opening function. The event will continue till 17th of October. The Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, today inaugurated a police outpost at Sora Khunudaching, Kakching district and a Type 2 police quarter at Thobal Police. Apart from the Chief Minister, MLA of Kakching constituency, Y. Surchandra, Education Minister T.H. Radhesyam, MLA and Wangjing Tentha constituency, Paunam Brazen, along with the top police officers, attended the function. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren urged the public to think for their future and act. He further said the state government has declared a war against drugs. He said the government is keen to deal with the drug menace in view of the future generation. He further said, under war against drugs, more than drugs worth rupees 1,000 crore have been seized so far. Drug manufacturing factories at Thawal, Moizing and Lilong area were also busted along with the help of public, he added. Meanwhile, the Ban Korkom has announced for a general strike in Manipur on October 15 to register a protest against the Manipur Merger Agreement of 1949. Korkom, a conglomerate of major militant groups, said in a statement today that the outfit, along with the people, every year observes October 15 as National Black Day. It said that then Maharaja of Manipur, Bodha Chandra, was made to sign the merger agreement by the government of India under duress, and later on this day, October 15, 1949, the merger was officially declared. Emergencies, media, religious and other activities will be exempted from the purview of this shutdown, the Korkom statement informed. The 4-day-long State Agricultural Fair 2019, which began on 8th of this month on the theme Climate Resilient Agriculture, came to an end today at Iboyama Shumanglila Sanglen Palace Compound, Imphal East. The fair was organized by State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Samiti, Manipur, under the aegis of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, New Delhi. Addressing the closing function, Manipur Consumers Affairs Minister Karamsyam expressed that the fair witnessed multi-activities and talents of youngsters from almost all departments, including horticulture and agriculture department. He was confident that giving impetus on this talent of the youngsters will help boost the state economy in future. The minister also mentioned about various welfare schemes provided by the government for farmers in the state. Karamsyam maintained that farmers are the sincerest group in the society and therefore politicians and bureaucrats should encourage them and work honestly in their interest.
Lawmiꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ awareness ama pibiba moida chap chana madugi nungi wanbokse khangallaga makoida piribai kai khumnaba duga loinana makoida adi Manipur Sarkar amadi department sina inot ama pibiragadi Manipur da adi seng chak tangbagi natraga mana masing mapanda pusalakbagi awaba se kokana habagi hazabalai tha mapal supna labuk lamhang thamise kamaina problem se solve togadage haibado lomina labuk ta law sugat zagadabani policy program de aikhoi leiriba highest level leiriba department ge official singna adi tanarga lepkadabani.
Acting on a tip-off, two teams of Lilong Police Station under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Thobal Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested 4 drug peddlers and seized a huge quantity of illegal drugs from their possession at Lilong Tairen Makong last evening. The police seized more than 700 suspected SP capsules, 36 pieces of Anten tablets and more than 1,000 bottles of cough syrup from them. SP Dr. Ibomcha said a case has been registered against them at Lilong Police Station.
The Lilong Police Station na drug yam na lay hai bagi tayen makung sida Lilong tayen makung sida drug yam lay hai pa ma on badagi alada amsung anjuman ga punna Lilong osi su yauna bagi Lilong PSP wana Lilong osi na litraga sangjan matam sida tayen makung dagi MD Abdul Rashid Elias Linthoi sigi son of L late MD Tomba Lilong tayen makung haiba sigi mayum amsung MD Momin Khan 27 years son of late MD Tomba mukoni si machin manauni Lilong tayen makung moini gi yum sida cordon tawaga alada anjuman aduga Lilong PS kinna poina Lilong osina lit tawa timna koi search tawa matam sida toida koina phangu jama phangu 42 numbers of suspected SP capsules 36 numbers of suspected Anten tablets si singje phange aduga adugi masi si kanogi mayum dani Momin Khan ki mayum dani si phangi se adugi makha taba thiba horopada amu koigi Abdul Rashid ki mayum sida koina 765 numbers of suspected SP tablets si phange.
Rescue operation is underway for 4 employees of Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited, NIPCO, who have gone missing after a pipeline of Kopili Hydel project at Umrangso in Dima Hasao district of Assam burst last Monday. As per reports, they were caught in a water burst following a leakage in a tunnel pipeline of the project. In connection with the death of Manipur Police Constable Moirangthem Bikarjit, a team of All Jiribam United Club Association, Ajuka, accompanied by media persons, paid an investigation visit to a cemetery under Namdailong at Jiribam, Assam border, where late Bikarjit left his motorcycle before he found death at Bai Boni of Jiribam. Talking to reporters, President of Ajuka M. Maipaksana suspected foul play in Bikarjit's death. He informed that Ajuka is submitting a memorandum to the District Deputy Commissioner to urge for a prompt investigation into the death of the cop.
Dead body asi family na chalaga jengma dana chumame haidana tawbadagi mahaksi tawbam thopa ko case su FIR ma jini police na tawra matungda.
Intra-aortic balloon pump IABP is another life-saving machine used to save lives of patients with intractable heart failure with severe heart failure. 28-year-old James was admitted to Sky Emergency Department on October 5th last with severe heart failure with his BP dropped to 57 by 40 mmHg despite maximum inotropic support at maximum doses. However, IABP implantation was performed for James successfully. Chief Cardiologist of Sky Hospital, Dr. L. Syam Kiso, said patients with severe intractable heart failure should be given an opportunity to come back to life by using IABP when maximum drugs and other supportive therapy fails to work. Let's take another short commercial break. Coming up, International Girl Child Day observed across Manipur.
अखोई पामजब लंबीदा नियम चुमना चलबदी खुनाय से नोंग नत्र नोंगदी सौखटप खुनाय म सोइदन ओइ
रेडियन ग्रुपना इनखलकलिबा नुपीसिंगी हाइथोइ सिंथोइरबा लौसिंग अमदी लमचकसिंग उथोकनबगी तंजाबी
थोरमसी होगोक्सो बोइना लाकदोरिबो अक्टोबर की तंग तरादा कर्टेन राइजर इम्फाल होटल तंगथोक्सरे
कर्टेन राइजर निमित असिदा कॉन्टेस्टेंट सिंग कना कनानो हैबदु मसक खमोंगदोरिबनी Event asigi grand finale lakleba October tangsa ondoida hotel Imphal association patok sarani.
Numit asida mayam soidana lengkotlo.
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahantok Leiba Takhatba Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Ketnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pareng Lagliba October Kungamari Amawavagi Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Lenana Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishay Nomagi Thoramni Liklang Pareng Mafam Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Matamna Nungthil Pung Manga Miyamna Sungsoy Shoitana Saruk Yabiu Liklang Pareng
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroina Sangai Honda na Festival asida Honda Cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lairiba Honda Cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amage up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October kunga nipan gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. International Girl Child Day was observed under the theme Girl Force Unscripted and Unstoppable at Hainokbog Awang LP School in Oinam constituency today, jointly organized by Hainokbog and Waroi Ching Children's Club. People's Resource Development Association Action at the Ed and Namoykul Younger Club Hainokbog Awang. Assistant Secretary of PRDA, who is also the Bisnupur correspondent of Tom TV, Dr. H. Roman, sponsor coordinator of PRDA Action at Local Rights Program, LRP T. Latarani Devi, co-coordinator T.H. Bimol Kumar and Secretary of Hainokbog Meira Paibi L. Sana Devi attended the program as main guest.
Madugi the Makta Madugi Poto omit to Kanda reservation system Namise Moisu Samasi decision making, society decision making the Yawi the Maktamogi reservation to Tamakaniva. That ki Masu part Torakan decision making India Kande state ki Kande, the Yimai society Kande Madugi decision making the part Oina with the Maktamasi reservation system, women reservation system and Tamineva. Angang Nupimcha Singsi Safe Tosi Moibu freely and freely, fairly, without any discrimination, more free education, pangansi, sama makanda,
In a bid to make police stations more child-friendly, a child-friendly police station was opened at Yairipur Police Station yesterday. It was opened under the supervision of Supreme Court of India and Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR. Superintendent of Police Thobal S.C. Bomchal said that such station is open to allay fear among children under 18 years of age. Additional SP T.H. Disorjit, SDPO of Yairipok, Anupam officer in charge of Yairipok, Muhammad Riazuddin Shah also attended the event. Postpaid mobile services in Kashmir are likely to resume from tomorrow, 68 days after they were shut down following the centre's decision to abrogate Jammu and Kashmir's special status. The decision has been taken that postpaid mobile services will be resumed in the beginning and the prepaid services will be resumed later. Proper verification of the customer be undertaken for postpaid mobile services. The valley has nearly 66 lakh mobile subscribers, out of which nearly 40 lakh subscribers have postpaid facilities. The move comes barely 2 days after the centre issued an advisory opening the valley for tourists. Travel association bodies had approached the administration saying that no tourists would like to come to the valley where no mobile phones are working. The mobile services in Jammu and Kashmir were shut down on August 5th after the centre announced in New Delhi the abrogation of the special status guaranteed to the state under Article 370 of the Constitution. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, the 24th State Level Yoga Physics Championship 2019 was kicked off today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School Police Lane, Imphal. The championship is organized under the theme Yoga for Health, Well-Being and Sustainable Development. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah, President of YPISM, T.H. Samungao Singh, General Secretary of Manipur Thinker Forum, M. Ashni Kumar Singh, were present as main guests at the inaugural function. Addressing the function, Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah said the main objective of the championship is to promote healthy habits and lifestyle, developing physical, human value and mental health through yoga. She also added that giving yoga education to the youth will be an effective tool to counter substance abuse prevalent widely in the state.
The already existing yoga institute should be properly strengthened with adequate structure and resources, and I am hopeful that the state government will certainly take up steps to address these issues in due course of time. By the Yoga Physics Institute and Studies, Manipur are organizing the championship and for promoting of yoga in general in the state.
Meanwhile, President of Yoga Physics Institute and Studies Manipur, T.H. Samungao, said that the institute has been organizing the championship every year in an effort to promote yoga. He asserted that yoga is beneficial in maintaining overall health of an individual.
24 Suba Yoga Physics Championship Mayama Tawaya Masari University Damanta, I is a president of Yoga Physics Institute and Studies, Aina Mayama Kamna, Taman Kampa, Jerry.
Around 244 players are taking part in the two-day event. Governor Nazma Heptullah gave away certificates to all the jury members of the championship today. Yoga practitioner Maibam Binoy, aged 64 years, who has bagged several gold medals at both national and state levels, is the senior-most participant in the championship. The 4th KIMAGS Inter-School Thangta Group Competition 2019 will be held from October 24th to 25th. This was informed by Publicity and Information Secretary of Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society KIMAGS, Thangzam Suraj, during a praise meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. He added that the competition, which is held every year, will help the masses in gaining more knowledge about this martial arts form.
First Araba, team school case prize lishing tara manga momento amadi certificate second taraba school 10,000 certificate amadi memento amadi third tarakpa school 7,000 certificate amadi memento loina kusina jagani marabuna haiba thangta group competition asida saruk koigi manipur da leibiriba school jing amadi thangta hapiriba school jing na haiba group competition asida sunga soidana team mamam thabiraganda competition asibu hena mapung phaba amadi thangta je sokhatpada
District Football Association Moirang, under the supervision of All Manipur Football Association, organized first Kaisam Babu Singh Memorial Super Division Football League 2019 at Moirang Multipurpose High Secondary School ground today. MLA of Kumbi Constituency S. Bira, former MLA of Moirang Constituency M. Prithviraj, Chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council M. Romi Bala, Vice Chairperson M. Basan, and councillors of Moirang Municipal Council were present at the opening function of the football league. 4 teams are participating in the league. In today's match, Amofa Moirang take on KRFC Komrim in the first match. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Right to information benefits people in myriad ways, says Speaker Y. Khemchand. A 70-year-old rape convict awarded 15 years rigorous imprisonment. Chinese President Xi Jinping arrives at Chennai. And Minister Nemcha Kipgen attends First India International Cooperatives Trade Fair 2019. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
you.